How to change the color of an object in Premiere Pro. This effect is really cool and easy to use in Premiere Pro. You can even animate the color transition from one color to another. Let's get started. First, add footage to your composition. If you don't have footage, you can check out Envato Elements for a variety of footage options at an affordable monthly or yearly price. I will provide a link in the description. Now, add an effect. Go to the effects panel and search for the color to change plugin. Add it to your footage. Select your layer, go to the effects panel and set the from color to the color you want to change by clicking on the preview. For the to color, choose the color you want it to change to. If you notice this is not looking quite right, you can easily adjust it in the panel by sliding the hue and experimenting with other settings. Great, you might see the colors changing for other elements in the video, but we don't want that. To fix this, use the pen tool to make a selection around the object, use color you want to change. Awesome, if you see that it's working well. And if you want to animate it, simply create a keyframe for the to color. Move a little further in the timeline and select another color that you want. Looks very nice, right? There we go, this is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video, subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.